Hey, welcome back, or welcome. So excited to have you back here, and I'm so excited to be creating a new look today. I've been really inspired by Rosé's new album, Rosy. It's really taking me back to that pop punk kind of vibe, like the 90s alt Avril kind of, all of that. I think that's why I've been like subconsciously really into the 90s lip, and so I kind of want to focus on that today. So today I'm going to do a little bit of like a downturned eye, but like pop punk sort of like, yeah, you'll see. So I do have a couple of products, the Divination Palette with Robert Welsh collab from Blend Bunny, and then also the Ellis Atlantis collab with Blend Bunny. So I'm super excited to get into those. So anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes real quick, and then we will be back. When I prime my eyes, I prime it all the way to basically the bridge of my nose here. So anywhere is game, anywhere is fair game here in this little. Let's get into the eye look today. I kind of want to do a concentrated eye look in the inside and then kind of have it fade out and kind of down a little bit. I'm not sure about eyeliner yet, we'll see. I might do like a downturned eyeliner. Yeah, so I'm going to focus on doing a cool toned eye look today. I did pick up this cushion foundation that I really want to try. I just kind of looked at it and it looks pretty light. I would rather have like a cool toned eye with a too bright foundation because then it will look a little bit more purposeful in my mind. Yeah. I don't have a good reason for that, but it makes sense in my mind. I really wanted to do blue, but I already did this in like a blue look. And I kind of want to try some new shades. So I'm thinking, do I do green? Like a green and black? I feel like purple's a little too close to pink. My full intention was to do purple, but as you know, I don't plan. So this is one of those moments where I'm like, what if we didn't? Let's do green. So I'm gonna be using the Ellis Palette with Blend Bunny. I actually have not used this yet. So, oh, that's pretty. That shine. I have looked at it though, and my God, can you imagine every shade that you can possibly need right here? Well, now I kind of want to do like a bluey green. Let's do that. That's a good compromise. I kind of want to focus on using this row right here. It's like a little bit of a tinge greener. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with Cosmic here. And I'm just gonna take it, like I said, just like right in there. Right on the nose. Oh wow. It does look a little bit bluer on the skin, which, you know, I'm totally fine with actually. Who cares? It's really hard to find like a pastel-y shade like this that will really kind of go there. And this is going there. It's not really patchy at all. Well, not really, it's just not. And I'm gonna kind of take this almost up to my brow. I really wanna like literally up here. But I'm focusing the heavy color on the bridge. That's so pretty. I'll take whatever pigment is here and kind of just really move it out a little bit. So I'm not adding more product, I'm just really using what I have already laid down. In my monitor right now, it looks like this is a light. I am gonna put a little bit of this here on my lid. Basically where you would deepen is where I'm gonna lay this lightest color. Yeah, this looks nice and icy. I love this. I'm gonna lay this down on the other eye, and yeah. I love how this is kind of just, it's just, I don't know. Anyway, so like I said, Rosy is kind of inspiring this look. I am really loving this album. It's like taking me back to Avril a little bit. Drop a comment and tell me what you're listening to. I'm gonna take my MAC 217S brush. It's another flat brush. And I'm gonna dip that into Vortex here. This is the next shade over from Cosmic. Look at how much more it gives off. Okay, so next shade over is Intelligence, and I am going to take that in the inner corner here. Did I take the right shade? Yes, yes. Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, I love that. Okay. Also, I don't know, maybe this isn't a tip and maybe this isn't like the most helpful, but I'm gonna say it anyway. When you dip into color, don't, well, you can do whatever you want, but don't hold it down maybe, tap upside, and stuff will still knock off, but it'll kind of settle in so that you have more pigment. I really think this would look, like this kind of a look would look beautiful with no brows. And obviously I will not shave my brows out. I'm scared. I don't know how I would look. I recorded about like 3.5 hours, maybe 4 hours, close to 4 hours of footage last time. And God, I was like, how can I possibly talk this much? I am going to take the deepest shade in this row, which is Membrane here on the very edge. Wait, hang on. Hang on, I forgot to blend. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna focus it basically on the lid, basically in the inner corner where you would put like your brightest shade. If you're a normal folk. Gorgeous. I think I need more lip products, but also be resourceful, be sustainable, be multi-purpose, be creative. That felt like a Charlotte Tilbury commercial. I am obsessed with her. I really am. Just look at literally any of her commercials promoting anything. Specifically though, go to the Disney one. Sometimes I just watch that. I'm going to shift and we're gonna go into the Robert Welsh Blend Bunny Divination collab. This palette I think has to be my favorite, or like a new go-to for me. It's just, the color story is so beautiful. If you love a big mirror, that's great, it's there for you. But I love that there's like shimmers that are pigmented. I also love just deep toned colors. Yeah. Okay. What a dream. Okay. I forgot to do something. Well, that's okay. I'll use this palette to do it. We're gonna deepen because we have to. Okay? Yeah, let's use gray. I'm just gonna focus this here. Right in here. I'm just taking it on the very edges. I'm gonna go in with Meg from the Divination Palette, and then we'll finally get into shimmer. And I'm literally just poking it there. Oh yeah, yep. Looking good. So I'm gonna go in with Oracle here, which is this beautiful kind of royal blue. I don't think it's looking that royal in this. That's what I want. My dog just sighed, she's sick of it. Would that look good? Okay, so I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna dip it in Love Line, which is this beautiful kind of pale baby blue shimmer. And I'm gonna go in with the Hermit and I'm gonna focus it a lot in here. I'm obsessed with this. I'm just gonna stamp a little bit of glitter. I'm using the Miss Fame glitter. Yep, that's what I want. So I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes and then we'll get right into foundation. I already took the seal off. This is a liquid foundation inside. I'm going to press into here and it should pick up some product like that. Oh, it smells amazing. This actually isn't a bad match. I thought this was gonna be way too light, but it's kind of not. It's nice. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. I guess I should tell you what shade this is. This is the 21N Rosy. This is a beautiful, it feels like I have glass skin. If you were kind of curious about this, so far I love it. I mean, it's only been about, what, 5 seconds? So we finished the eyes and I deepened the bottom with a little bit of black. I also did my brows and powdered and all that. So we can get just into the winged liner. I'm gonna take this Trixie brush. It came with the eyeliners when they were coming in a set. The Hotline gel, I think that's what it's called. I go in like this and pick up product and just make sure it's on both sides. And I'm just gonna kind of do like a partial wing, I think, with this. I'm gonna take it this way so the angle is facing down. Yeah, I love that. Yeah. Okay, so let me just start out by saying this is absolutely not punk. It kind of turned into like a little bit like 20s like sad girl. Let's start the lips. I'm going to take what I used last time, basically Acting Natural. Love. Cool. So now I have this white pigment from MAC. I take this white pigment here. It's like a little bit pearly, which I like. And I'm gonna put this over my Cupid's bow area. Oh. Yeah, this is, oh God. This is like bordering clown a little bit. Well, it's kind of clown. The problem is I just want to take black again. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go with my gut. So I got this idea from Courtney Quarantine. I'm obsessed with their content. Their lip looks are just so fun. I love how it's kind of like, it's like definitely grungy. I like the way that black just deepens everything. I'm gonna kind of blend this out. And this is the artist pencil from Makeup Forever. Do I have anything on my teeth? Artist color pencil, and this is just the black. I love these pencils because you can use them for lips, eyes, kind of whatever you want. I always clean up lips with Studio Fix. That's kind of just how I learned at MAC, and it works really well. So I'm gonna go in with my Studio Fix, really load it up on the edge here, and then I'll kind of go in. The best way to do is literally just stamp it on. And I love this brush because it's nice and long, so you don't have to like kind of make multiple stamps. It takes care of a lot of territory. And you can do this with concealer too. I find it's easiest with powder. I like using dry products over, you know, whenever you set your makeup, which I've already done. And I'll kind of reinforce this Acting Natural color in the center. Oh, I love that. This kind of shows you that you can really play with illusion. My lips are, you know, not super full. So now I'm going to take lip gloss. This is from the Divination collection as well with Robert Welsh at Blend Bunny. Kind of put like 4 blobs there. You can kind of see on either side of my Cupid's bow territory. It's like, it's got like an, is that apple? It's got like a candy scent. Smells good. I love this greener lip gloss. It gives the effect of like a clearer gloss, but it makes everything neutralized. If there any redness is showing through, this will help cancel that out. And it's kind of giving me this like really like just nude kind of look for a black gray lip. This is a little bit more of a draggy look than I thought it was gonna be, which I love. Did we do it? Well, I'm gonna put lashes on and mascara, and then we'll regroup and I'll see you in a second. Okay, we're back. I'm really loving the way this turned out. The eye look is just something I've wanted to do for a minute. I think that the downturned wing eyeliner made it just look a little more clown, fun, light. And I'm loving this lip combo of the Artist Color pencils. It kind of blends out a little bit gray with the Acting Natural lipstick from MAC. I had so much fun, once again, creating this look with you guys. We got to play with some more loose pigments, some loose glitters. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe. My goal right now, hold me to it, is to post once a week. And if this posts when I want it to post, we'll have a good track record. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.